it's time to go now. Got the girlie in the ride and it's time to go down. Once I pull it out, it's a showdown. Oh, now you better be good, don't slow it down, let's go the round. It ain't no stopping the flow, I come through, I'm rocking the show. I'm counting the money mountains while you snorting the mountains of snow. With cheap hills, the cheap thrills, you view your fast life through cheap thrills and the speed kills. Give me a second while I'm pressing the gas pedal. I get my own shit, you live your life through your dad's medals. You end up as one of them sad fellas. I'm ready to go, warmed up from chinchilla. Or chinchilla, pockets fat like a gorilla. On the mic, I'm a killer. Keep it coming with punches and jabs. Whole body niggas with the pump in the trunk of the rap. Foe, pull off and I laugh, ho.
Stopping my flow, I'm ready to go. Getting the dough. Now here we go, now here we go now. Got all the tools to make all these moves. You snooze, you lose. You ready now? Here we go now, here we go now. You ready now? Here we go now, here we go now. You ready now? Here we go now, here we go now.
So let me know if you like what I'm spitting at you. In the club, wherever I'm getting at you. Only because of the puss, I gotta achieve and push. Throw the weed in the bush, I ain't going down from the seat of the cush. These bitches on the nuts like index fingers on the shush. Play it heavy on the strip, keep it steady on the strip. Hit a black Chevy on the strip. Having fun throwing confetti up on the strip. Enough weight that'll break a levee in this bitch. Electricity flowing through the veins like X-Men. Get X-Men, body something ducked in the trash can. Two Smith & Wessons loaded. Hot as fuck, so caution whenever you hold it. A lot of niggas in the game that it's already folded. I'm wired up and fired up in just a couple seconds from exploding.
No stopping my flow, I'm ready to go. Getting the dough. Now here we go, now here we go now. Got all the tools to make all these moves. You snooze.